In the new era of artificial intelligence, the F-47 stealth fighter is more than a jet, it's the brain of a digital air force. One pilot no longer flies alone. From the cockpit, he commands a fleet of unmanned, loyal wingmen, each guided by an AI core called the Aegis Combat Brain. This network turns the F-47 into a flying commander, leading autonomous aircraft through complex missions with machine precision and human purpose. Born from the next-generation air dominance program, the F-47 links man and machine into one system. Its drones are not followers, but independent fighters. Some scout, some jam, others strike, all connected by quantum-encrypted channels. The Aegis brain assigns tasks instantly. One drone shields the formation, another dives into attack, and a third maps enemy radar. The result is coordination that feels alive, faster than communication, faster than thought. When radar detects a missile, the AI reacts before the pilot can blink. One drone intercepts, one releases decoys, another blinds the enemy. The pilot focuses on the big picture strategy, ethics, decisions, while the AI handles speed and execution. Together, they fight as one consciousness in the sky. In tests, the F-47's AI squadrons outperform traditional fighter teams by nearly 3-to-1. In Pacific simulations, one F-47 and 6 drones penetrated a dense air defense zone, completing recon, jamming, and mock strikes in 5 minutes, unseen and unstoppable. Every flight feeds a shared neural database, so each F-47 learns from the rest. The fleet grows smarter with every mission, a self-teaching network evolving at digital speed. But power raises questions. Critics fear machines making life and death choices. The Pentagon's rule, human in the loop, ensures AI suggests, but never kills without consent. To enforce that, the Cognitive Integrity Module monitors every decision, locking the system inside ethical boundaries. Supporters argue it's survival. Modern combat moves at machine speed. Hypersonic missiles, automated jammers, instant radar locks. Without AI, even the F-22 would fall behind. The F-47 doesn't replace humanity, it amplifies it. The pilot's courage merges with AI's precision, human instinct steering silicon intellect. Psychologically, it changes everything. Pilots no longer feel alone. Their wingmen never tire, never panic. It's teamwork between courage and code. Strategically, it's transformation. One F-47 can do the work of a full squadron reconnaissance, suppression, and strike while keeping human lives out of danger. If the leader falls, the swarm keeps fighting. That's deterrence reborn. Meanwhile, other nations race to catch up. China's J-50, Russia's S-70, Okhotnik, but none match the F-47's AI fusion. Analysts say by 2030, manned AI teamwork will define every battlefield in the sky. Yet beneath all the numbers lies a story of trust between human and machine, instinct and algorithm. The pilot of an F-47 doesn't just fly. He commands intelligence itself, a living web of steel, data, and determination, moving with one will, to protect, to prevail, to lead the future. And as the formation vanishes into the clouds, one truth stands clear. The era of the lone fighter pilot is ending. The age of the AI wingmen has begun.